Tammy Slaton, one of the most talked about reality TV stars from TLC's hit show 1000 LB Sisters, has recently sparked an emotional wave online as her girlfriend is reportedly going through a serious struggle. Fans who have followed Tammy's rollercoaster journey through weight loss, addiction battles, hospital stays, and relationship ups and downs are now being drawn into yet another emotional chapter, this time involving her significant other. The news broke through a series of cryptic social media posts, followed by a heartfelt message requesting fans and followers to send their thoughts, love, and prayers. The couple, who had just begun to show signs of growing strength and connection, now faces a tough battle, leaving Tammy's supporters deeply concerned. Sources close to Tammy say her girlfriend has been silently dealing with an undisclosed health issue, one that reportedly worsened over the past few weeks. While no official diagnosis has been released, followers of both Tammy and her girlfriend's social media accounts noticed a shift in tone, gone were the bubbly posts, the funny TikToks, and the playful banter. Instead, cryptic messages about life, suffering, and healing began to take over. Tammy herself posted a black screen on Instagram with just 2 words, "Pray hard." Fans immediately flooded the comments section with support, many of them posting prayer emojis and words of comfort. One fan wrote, "You've been through so much, Tammy. We are here for you and your girlfriend. Stay strong." Another follower said, "You're not alone. We're sending love and strength your way." The identity of Tammy's girlfriend was kept relatively low profile at the beginning of their relationship. However, after her surgery and her dramatic transformation journey, Tammy began opening up more, showing the world her personal life in glimpses, moments of laughter, shared meals, quiet dates, and love-filled selfies. Their bond appeared genuine and healing, especially after Tammy's previous relationships, which often drew criticism or ended in controversy. Unlike past relationships that sometimes seemed exploitative or attention-seeking, this time things looked different. Tammy seemed calmer, more grounded, and many attributed it to the love and support she was receiving from her new partner. That's why the news of her girlfriend's struggle is hitting fans especially hard. It feels like just when things were going well, another challenge has hit. According to insiders, Tammy has been staying close to her girlfriend, reportedly spending most of her time at her partner's home, away from the public eye. "She's been really private about this," said one anonymous source close to the TLC production team. "It's serious, and she's scared. But she's also trying to be strong for her partner. They've both been through a lot, and Tammy doesn't want this to be another loss." Indeed, fans remember how Tammy's emotional state has often been impacted by personal hardships. From losing loved ones to dealing with mental health struggles, she's had more than her share of pain. And now, the added stress of seeing someone she loves go through pain is clearly weighing on her. Interestingly, Tammy has not been filming as actively for 1000 LB Sisters in recent weeks, fueling speculation that production may be pausing or shifting direction due to the personal nature of what's going on. TLC has not commented publicly, but several crew members have been spotted packing up equipment and leaving the Slaton family's Kentucky property earlier than usual. A fan even posted a blurry image to Reddit of what looked like Tammy outside a medical facility, holding her girlfriend's hand while keeping her head low and covered. The photo quickly went viral, prompting thousands of shares and discussions about what could be going on. Supporters from all over the world are sending their well wishes. Hashtags like #PrayForTammy and #TammyStrong are trending among 1000 LB Sisters fans. Several fan pages have organized virtual prayer circles and live streams of support. Many fans shared their own stories of watching loved ones suffer and how community support helped them cope. Others praised Tammy for how far she's come and expressed hope that this challenge will only make her stronger. "Tammy has inspired me to never give up, even when the world seems against you. I hope her girlfriend recovers and they both come out of this stronger," one fan posted. Meanwhile, Tammy's family has remained mostly silent, with no direct public messages from Amy or the other siblings. Some speculate that the family is giving Tammy and her partner privacy during this time. Others wonder if the tension seen in past seasons is playing a role in the current silence. Amy has posted a few general messages about mental health and staying strong, but none have directly referenced Tammy or her girlfriend. Despite this, it's clear that the extended 1000 LB Sisters fan community is stepping up where the family has remained quiet. This emotional crisis comes at a time when Tammy was finally turning the corner in life. Her physical transformation post-surgery stunned fans, as did her commitment to healthier habits. Despite a few stumbles, including being caught vaping again post-op, many fans continued to cheer her on, recognizing that real change takes time and comes with setbacks. The relationship with her girlfriend was seen as a stabilizing force, giving Tammy emotional support when she needed it most. Seeing that source of strength now under distress has shaken her followers and once again highlighted how complex and fragile life behind reality TV cameras can be. There's also growing concern about how Tammy will cope emotionally if her partner's health doesn't improve. Some fans have voiced fears that Tammy could slip into old behaviors, whether it's unhealthy eating, vaping, or shutting down emotionally if she faces another significant loss. Mental health professionals who follow the show have even weighed in online, noting how grief and stress can trigger relapses in those recovering from addiction or trauma. They urge Tammy's fans to continue supporting her and remind everyone that healing is not linear. What happens next remains uncertain. Will Tammy open up more and share what's happening? Will the TLC show address this chapter in an upcoming season? Or will Tammy step away from the spotlight to protect her partner and her own well-being? Right now, there are more questions than answers. But one thing is clear, Tammy's heart is hurting, and her plea for prayers is not a publicity stunt. It's a raw, real cry from someone who's trying to hold on while watching someone she loves go through something devastating. In the end, this moment reminds fans that reality TV personalities are human too. Behind the filters, camera crews, and edited storylines, there are real people facing real pain. Tammy's journey has always been about more than weight. It's been about survival, healing, and the battle to reclaim life. Her girlfriend's struggle is now another chapter in that ongoing battle. And while Tammy has become a symbol of strength for many, this moment reveals she also needs support, compassion, and grace. For now, fans wait, hope, and pray that Tammy and her girlfriend will find light at the end of this dark tunnel. Whether through official updates, social media clues, or the next season of 1000 LB Sisters, the world is watching and rooting for Tammy and the love she's fighting so hard to protect. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.